Man, I still cannot believe that Darkbone Bro tried to steal my laptop and ended up smashing it by throwing it against the wall. Now I have to work really hard to get my laptop fixed, all thanks to him. Hello there, Giga, and I vote like boy Blam. The answer is that Darkbone Bro tried to steal my laptop, but then ended up throwing it against the wall. Now I have to work really hard to get my laptop fixed, all thanks to him. Really? Okay then. Go for it. Oh my gosh. My laptop. It's finally fixed. Thanks to Giga and I vote like boy Blam. As a reward, I'll call your parents to unground you.
That sounds wonderful. I'll be going now. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Giga here, and I vote like boy Blam.
When Giga and evil light boy Blam got home.
Giga and evil light boy Blam. We just got off the phone with Kitty Flamewar a bird. She told us that you fixed her laptop. Good job, son. You did a really good job fixing her laptop after what Darkbone Bro did.
And as for that, you're now ungrounded. You can do whatever you want now.
Oh yes! Thanks, Mama Pig.